Hello everyone, the Crypto Compass here, and I'm just here to give you my raw and honest thoughts about the current market state. I'm not going to throw any fancy edits at you on the screen or show you other news that's going on, but rather just tell you how I see the market. My goal has always been to educate the Compass Cartel, who are my viewers. And yeah, that's just the new name that I thought for you guys. Let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. But aside from all that, I know that you can see how the market has been in a downtrend, and honestly more than just the majors of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink, almost everything is just going down only. And these are the times where you feel very uncertain with where the market is going to go next. And it's not just crypto. If I'm being honest, the stock market has also been down. Now we can sit here and break down a bunch of technical analysis and maybe draw a bunch of lines on a chart, or maybe even look at the fundamentals, but I'm really here just to tell you my experience of what the last bull run is and how it's very similar to what's going on now. So last run we had a huge run up that was around that December time, that Santa rally that came in, just like what we saw of December last year. But the difference is last run we saw continued volume to come in and we didn't slow down until the summer. But right now, as soon as the new year hit, we have been in a downtrend on all major assets. And of course, I'm not saying you're not gonna find a diamond in the rough, some random altcoin that just pumps heavy, but those plays are really rare. And if you don't have insider knowledge or you get in early, then most likely you haven't been hitting on that. So in other words, the trenches are currently dead and it's hard to come out of them. You can easily lose all of your capital by over trading these coins, just waiting for a big pump. These are the times in the market where you strictly just want to accumulate. If you still believe in crypto and its long-term potential, if you're looking at 5 to 10 years down the line, then you might as well just keep buying these assets. And no, I'm not trying to give financial advice. I'm just trying to help the Compass Cartel come up on top. I really want to see you succeed in this market, and that was my goal ever since I started this channel. Just remember, there's always plays that you will lose in but also win with, but you have to balance those losses and wins. You never want to overtrade an asset, and maybe it's better to look at less assets rather than more. If you understand how a certain asset moves, like Bitcoin, then you can easily just buy and sell as it ranges within a specific level. And right now we are just accumulating, and honestly we could be doing this for another few months. The market is at a very boring state ever since we hit that initial euphoria, and the economy in general does not look very hot as everything is just overinflated. It seems like everyone is calling for a recession and they're waiting for the stock market, real estate market, and even crypto to just crash. The reality of this is that all of this can happen, which is very scary, but you have to prepare for all situations. And all that really means is have a plan. If Bitcoin goes to 60,000 or even 30,000 in the next few months, what are you going to do? Are you going to buy now and suffer those short-term losses and hold it long-term? Or are you going to wait for the dip and buy even more as it dips? Both can be viable solutions, but remember, you never know where the price is going to be. Absolutely no one can predict the future. All you can really do is understand market psychology and how people are buying and selling these different assets. And if we're looking at it as a whole right now, everyone seems to be very bearish. And of course, we'll see news from the government or other pro-crypto things coming out that could make you bullish, but nothing changes until the trend reverses. So what I'm getting at with all this information is that we can easily be in a mini bear market. And that just means we go sideways and downwards for a few more months. And honestly, it can be even more than that. There are always outside factors like bullish catalysts that can jump in and maybe kickstart the market, but at the same time there can also be black swan events. What I would do right now is just keep buying up the strong assets that you have been researching. I really like the coin Chainlink, and I believe it has a very strong future. So I would continue DCAing and buying every possible dip. These are the moments where the non-believers are coming in. Everybody is calling crypto a scam and it's just going to die, right? Well, if that's what you think, then maybe you shouldn't be in this market. I am still a big believer in blockchain technology and what the crypto market offers, but I also feel like there needs to be some more regulation. We cannot continue to have on-chain crime and have these big people just drop coins and then cause them to pump and dump. Eventually, when crypto becomes more like the stock market, then maybe we'll have some more understandable gains. And at the same time, more security and safety, which is very much needed in the space. Now, as far as the cryptos that I'm bullish on, last cycle we had the whole craze over NFTs. And yes, those were illiquid assets, meaning that you had to put it for sale and wait for someone to buy it. But they caught enough attention to actually gain value. And this cycle we have meme coins, which are sitting mainly on Solana. Of course, we have meme coins on other layer ones like Ethereum, but Solana is where most of the volume is. But there are drawbacks with that, as people are just deploying pump.fun tokens and causing them to pump and dump. All these insiders and KOLs with big money are literally getting all their followers in and then dumping on their heads. The crypto market is very ruthless, and if it continues down this way, then it could get even worse. I am still a strong believer in AI, and I feel like those coins are the ones that need to be highlighted. I want to go back to the days where you find true utility in a coin rather than just looking at a popular meme. And some of these AI agents are so advanced that they can literally trade on a wallet for you or for themselves. I can see a lot of AI projects having actual use case in the space. So my hope is that AI coins kind of overtake meme coins so that we can get back to utility. It may be smart just to take a break from the market as it goes through this phase. That way you can be fully ready and mentally focused when the market does come back. We are all human at the end of the day, and there's only so much strain and stress that we can take. And we all know what crypto can do to your brain. So maybe take some time to preserve that capital and save it up for another better day. Remember, all of this is just suggestions and none of it is financial advice. I just want to tell you based on my experience how you can propel yourself in this market. And I know the days look gloomy now, but if you continue to be a believer and have a long-term outlook, then I still believe that you will be very successful and make lots of money. These are the times where you just need to buy and sit back. Patience is the name of the game here, and most people in crypto don't have it. And to be honest, I've been a victim of this before, but I'm learning on how to be better. And these are disciplines and skills that you need to have in the market, or you are just going to continue to lose money. A lot of people laugh about round tripping their money or even losing their initial capital and then just jumping into crypto again. But this is a very toxic trait that you may see in crypto, and you want to stay away from those type of people. You only want to make a move when it's necessary, and you never want to force anything. Sometimes it's better to sit on the sidelines and just wait and see where the market goes. So overall, I just want to say be careful in this market and watch the trends as they come. I want the Compass Cartel to propel and do better than well, and that's just the truth. I hope you guys like this video, and I know it's a little different from what I usually do, but I just wanted to sit down and talk with you face to face and be straight up. And I would love to hear your thoughts about the market and how you feel like it could look going forward. Until next time, peace out, Compass Cartel.